Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the low-waist sweatpants. I think that's what they're called on Dress to Impress. So I don't know if they're new or not, but you can actually wear these pants in the men's section. And as you can see, it is such a cute, fit. Maybe I'll make that darker, like that. And that's where you can find the low-waist sweatpants on Dress to Impress. I actually really like this fit a lot. You can, I guess, use it for I don't know, gym themes on Dress to Impress. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.